Yes, so from the research, we collaborate with the clinical research teams to conduct the translational research. So from the patient's data, we collected patient samples pre-treatment with HER2 ADC and after treatment with this drug. And we compared the genetic changes. And where we found that patients who received the T-DXd or T-DM1, patients shows the elevated DNA repair pathway and some cell cycle and other genetic expression is elevated. And meanwhile, we also conducted the in-vitro experiment and in-vivo experiment. And from this lab work, we found that also DNA repair pathway is elevated. So that's what we found common effect by treatment with HER2 ADC.